Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical woks, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from woks, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best woks from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Yosukata Carbon Steel Wok Pan 13.5-inch Stir-Fry Pans with Flat Bottom, POW Wok. Unlock authentic Asian flavors with the best wok for home cooks and outdoor chefs. The Yosukata Carbon Steel Wok Pan 13.5-inch. This flat-bottom POW wok is crafted from heavy-duty carbon steel and pre-seasoned at over 600 degrees Fahrenheit to jumpstart your cooking journey. Perfect for stir-frying, deep-frying, pan-frying, and braising, it's compatible with gas, induction, grill, and even open-fire setups. The ergonomic wooden handle provides a comfy, secure grip, while the flat base ensures stability on any stovetop. Though the pre-seasoning may require a bit of extra effort to perfect, the high heat responsiveness and flavor-locking design make it worth every sizzle. Whether you're cooking indoors or out at a BBQ or campfire, this wok delivers versatility, durability, and that unbeatable wok-A taste. If you're serious about stir-frying or looking for a reliable multi-use pan, the Yosukata wok is a solid pick. Pro tip: grab a lid to take your wok game to the next level. Number 2. Calphalon Signature Hard-Anodized Nonstick 12-inch Flat-Bottom Wok with Cover. Discover the best in non-stick performance with the Calphalon Signature Hard-Anodized Nonstick 12-inch Wok with Cover, your go-to for precision cooking and effortless cleanup. Built with heavy-gauge aluminum and a 1.5x more durable non-stick interior vs Calphalon Classic, this flat-bottom wok offers superior heat distribution and performance. Its PFOA-free 3-layer non-stick surface is metal utensil safe, letting you cook confidently without damaging the surface. Oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and compatible with gas, electric, glass, and halogen stovetops, it's perfect for stir-frying, sautéing, or baking. The long stainless steel handles stay cool on the stovetop while the tempered glass lid helps lock in moisture and flavor. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Recognized as the best overall non-stick cookware by Good Housekeeping, this work is backed by a lifetime warranty and engineered in the USA for long-lasting reliability. Take your kitchen game to the next level with Calphalon Signature professional quality you can trust. Number 3. Made in Cookware 12-inch Blue Carbon Steel Wok Professional Cookware. Experience the best in professional cookware with the Made in 12-inch Blue Carbon Steel Wok. A chef's dream for fast, high-heat cooking. Crafted in France from premium metals, this award-winning wok combines the heat retention of cast iron with the responsiveness and speed of stainless steel. Its flat bottom ensures stability on gas, electric, and induction stovetops, while the long stay-cool handle adds control and comfort. Designed for performance, its conical shape and 5-quart capacity make it ideal for stir-frying, searing, sautéing, and more. As you season and cook, it naturally builds a non-stick surface, enhancing flavor and cooking ease over time. Whether you're a home cook or a pro in the kitchen, this carbon steel wok brings speed, versatility, and timeless craftsmanship to your cooking routine. Lightweight, durable, and made to last a lifetime, the Made-in Wok is where tradition meets innovation for flawless results every time. Number 4. Nuwave Induction Wok Authentic 14-inch Carbon Steel Wok Infuse Complex Charred. Meet the best way to stir-fry with precision the Nuwave Induction Wok, a 14-inch carbon steel powerhouse designed to bring authentic flavor and high-tech performance to your kitchen. With its custom induction base and patented insulation, this wok delivers rapid, even heating that reaches perfect wok-A temperatures in under a minute. Ideal for infusing dishes with that iconic charred aroma. Engineered with 94 pre-programmed temps, digital controls, and real-time adjustment features, it puts you in full control. The heavy-gauge carbon steel wok is ultra non-stick, scratch-resistant, and built to last a lifetime with proper care. Safety is built in with automatic shutoff and no open flames. Included are a vented tempered glass lid, stainless steel frying rack, custom wok stand, and more. Whether you're a pro or just passionate about Asian cuisine, this wok transforms everyday cooking into culinary art. Fast, efficient, and full of flavor. Number 5. Craft Wok Traditional Hand-Hammered Carbon Steel with Wooden and Steel Helper Handle. Discover the best traditional wok for authentic stir-frying with the Craft Wok Hand-Hammered Carbon Steel Wok, a favorite among professional Chinese chefs. This heavy-duty 14-inch round-bottom wok is hand-hammered by masters in Guangzhou and built from 15-gauge 1.8 m carbon steel. For unbeatable durability and performance, designed for use on gas stovetops, it delivers the high heat and responsiveness needed for true wok cooking. The wooden main handle offers a tight, non-slip grip, while the steel helper handle stays cool and makes handling or hanging easy. With a 1.6-gallon capacity, it's perfect for cooking large meals with rich flavor and that elusive wok. Be sure to season before use, easy instructions are included, and customer service is always ready to help. Whether you're a home cook or aspiring chef, this wok brings the heat, tradition, and craftsmanship of Chinese kitchens right to yours. Craft Wok, Love Wok. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.